Alright, so happy New Year's, happy Martin Luther King Day. I hope you guys are doing well, because I am gaining weight. It's my first time noticing that on camera, and I'm ashamed of that. It's time to get a gym membership. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back to the channel. This is my first video of the year. Gonna have another one coming out next week. I've been down like the beginning of the year, like as soon as New Year's hit, I got sick. It wasn't with COVID. I was having I don't know, best way I could describe it was sinus attack, I guess. And that put me down for a little while. And then I was taking care of other things. And so this is why this recording is taking out so long. Anyway, I'm gonna be using my soda stream today. This thing is crazy because in my house we love sparkling water, we love making our own drinks, and I thought I'll share some of that stuff with you guys. So today I wanted to do one, I'm gonna say child-friendly drink. I'm not gonna say virgin drink because even some virgin drinks are not child-friendly, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm gonna do one child-friendly drink for the children, and then I'm gonna do one adult drink on here. Now, I'm not a barista, I'm not a bartender, just a guy that really likes to do stuff with what I got. So, check it out. All right, so a little bit about this machine here. If you haven't heard about a soda stream yet, where have you been? This is one of the most innovative ways to do this. Now, this is not something new. This is something. I mean, there was the sparkle beverage system. I think that was first, and then now Philips has something like that. KitchenAid makes one. There's a bunch of different soda stream variants, and like the original was like the soda bar thing. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one of those, but it's basically one of those systems that like you go to a restaurant and they got the drinks set up. You can go and you can, the water or the drinks will shoot out into the cup, whatever. You can actually buy those for your home and have that set up for your home with the serve boxes and everything. So this is not something new. The innovation came from where they basically made it cheaper. The first carbonated drink that I'm actually going to make is going to be for the children because they're in the process of eating dinner and they're ready for something to drink. They like the stuff that I make called chocolate soda. Now, the ingredients to this soda are my brand of cocoa tea, a simple syrup, and soda water. Is it soda water? Carbonated water? I don't know. It's something like that. But if you want to check out my cocoa tea, I'll leave a description below for my Etsy page. You can actually pick it up there, along with my coffee and my instant espresso. Shameless plug. Now, as far as the tea go, if you actually buy my brand of tea, they're pre-bagged. There's 20 bags per bag of tea, and for my 3, I use 5 bags. 5 bags and 2 cups of hot water. Let that brew. Makes a really, really strong chocolate flavor to it. And if you just want to get exciting, you can add cocoa powder and cream. And the measurements to this are not quite exact, so what I do is use a baby mason jar. Now with this baby mason jar, I actually use it as my jigger. That's not what I said. I said jigger. And then I add 2 jigs of the cocoa tea, 1 jig of simple syrup to each cup, and 1 cup of soda water. Club soda? No, club soda is different. Soda water. Alright, so now that I got the children's drink out of the way, it's time to work on the adult drinks. Now, like I said, told you I'm not a bartender and I'm not a barista. I just enjoy having fun with what I have. And one of the things that I like to do is make myself a cocktail every now and again. And this is one of the cocktails I make every now and again. I don't make it too often. I really like to have this during the summertime because of the flavors. Alright, so this drink is going to require half a lime, 1 lemon, a little lemon zest, and something else. I want to keep you sticking around for the video to see the rest of that.
Do you think looks are important?
No, I don't think so.
What about money?
So like I said, in this recipe, you're going to have half a lime left because you only need half a lime. This other half a lime, just squeeze it over some vanilla ice cream or something. I promise you, it's really good. Alright, so now, tequila. Doesn't matter the brand of tequila. Just use whatever one you like. I'm going to add 1 jig of this to my shaker. And don't forget the ice. There's got to be ice in the shaker so you can chill the tequila and everything. Anyway, oh, and also, I think I forgot to mention to chill your water before you turn it into carbonated water, right? I think I mentioned that. Maybe, I don't know.
What about money?
Instant communication, telephone.
Check. 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 Check.
Telephone.
Check. Check.
Instant communication, telephone.
Check. Check.
Instant communication, telephone.
And there you have it. I forget the name of this drink, but I'm pretty sure I didn't make it right. But you can actually take ice and blend this up to make a slushy out of it too. So, anyway, enjoy. Oh, you're still here. Okay, well, we can, I just ate dinner. How about we make a dessert drink? This drink is a twist on apple pie and ice cream. If you guys are into that thing. Really easy to make, and same thing with this one. You can add ice to it and blend it up and make a milkshake type deal out of it. You can actually add actual ice cream to it and make a milkshake out of that. So, alright, so this drink is going to require Scotch whiskey and aged rum. Both. Not the clear stuff, the dark stuff. We're also going to add some chopped apples, just one. And then we're going to add nutmeg and cinnamon. Now, you don't have to use one of these bottles like I'm using. I like to use these bottles because, you know, they're reusable. But you can put this into a jar or anything like that. Just make sure you use equal parts whiskey and rum. And you're going to throw it all into the jar and you're going to let it sit overnight. Now, I cannot stress this enough. Do not try to eat the apples after they've been soaking in this stuff overnight. They do not taste like what you would think they would taste like. Alright, you get to watch me do my happy dance because I completely nailed the drink. And you can add completely sugar-free options if you want to. That's all up to you. And like I said, you can do this as a milkshake. Probably better as a milkshake. You get that nice crisp apple taste. And that caramel really sets it off. Anyway, guys, enjoy and get out.